Hello, y'all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How you all doing? Hope you are doing good. We are back again with another topic. This topic is for women. Yes, women. This topic is for women. Listen, we are going to be talking about our body after birth. We all know that after birth, after we start bearing children, after birth, our body never remains the same. That is what we will be talking about today. Listen, if you are just joining us the first time, please do remember to press that subscribe button, press that like, and comment on this issue. What you can add to it. You can tell me your comments, your thoughts concerning this very issue. In this in this channel, we talk about things that are happening in our day-to-day life. Yes, but today we are going to be talking about our body after birth. Listen, every woman have their hope, their problem area. You understand? When you are pregnant, from pregnancy you give birth to a little prince or a little angel. Listen, if your body still remains the same, kudos to you. It's not because you did everything right. No, it's not because you eat this, you eat that, you did not eat this, you did not eat that. No, it's because maybe your body is still remaining the way it was. Listen, kudos to you. It's not what you did wrong or what you did right. It's just by the grace of God that your body is still looking your malicious and beautifully. Listen, for those of us that our bodies are no longer the same again. Listen, one thing you have to do, ladies, first of all, love yourself, embrace yourself, know that your body can never remain the same. Let your little angel that you gave birth to, let that person remind you. Look at your angel and give yourself that inner happiness that you brought a living soul to this world. Maybe some people might be laughing at you. No matter since when she don't born, she your live inside me, she can't fat, she can't your fat. Listen, ask that person, have you been to labor room before? Have you ever go through such experience? If you go through such experience, you will not be telling me this. Listen, there are some women, when immediately they give birth, maybe one, two, or more, they will gain more fat. Listen, one some advice I will be giving to you is, please embrace yourself. Embrace yourself. If you want to do diet, please do diet that will not dramatically reduce your weight. No, if you dramatically reduce your weight, the weight is we're gonna run back, coming back again. Listen, we don't want that. We want the one, after we reduce our weight, at least it will go back to normal, the way we used to be. How can you do that? Is one, exercise. Two, diet. We are not talking about those diet that you will be doing, that you will be starving yourself. No, the meal that you will eat, the meal you will eat, a whole food that you will eat it only in the afternoon. You will eat a whole bowl of a meal, and you will say you are dieting. No, diet is eating things that are, the calories will be lesser, eating little portion of food. You understand? So eat. You can be doing diet and you will be eating, you will not be feeling hungry. There are some set of food that you will eat. There are some set of food that you will limit, not just cut them off completely, but you will limit it. Do exercise and diet, not the one that you use hungry to kill you will starve yourself, and at the end you will not eat a food that will be bigger, that will be enough for 3 or 4 people to eat. You understand? Diet is eat little by little, cutting your calories down. Then you will be losing weight, and staying in shape. That is number one, our body after birth. Another problem is there are some ladies when they are pregnant, they have this swallow armpit, you understand. So that is another problem. Once you give birth, that armpit will still be there. That swallowness it will not be, it will not be big as of when you were pregnant. No. When after you finish breastfeeding, you know, all those milk that was in the boobs, they will now pack to the armpit. Then it will now make the armpit to be swollen. Listen, after you give birth, you finish breastfeeding, that it will, there will still be a trace of that. Listen, if you have such a problem, listen, and you are ashamed to wear things that will reveal, you love things that are revealing, now you can no longer wear it. There is a lot of ways you can actually show your sexiness, you understand. You love to be sexy. You cannot do with, yeah, and you cannot change. There are some situations you cannot change. That's a situation you learn to live with, you understand. You embrace it, you love yourself, you you don't look at it anymore like a problem. You look at it as sign of maturity, because that your body, when you haven't start bearing children, when you haven't start giving birth to children, your body were different. Now sign of old age is already there. It means just look at yourself as sign of, you know, maturity, that you are not mature. For example, somebody will now come to you and say, look at you are no longer the joy I used to know, you are no longer the blessing I used to know, you are no longer the this I used to know. Your reply should be, the blessing you used to know was did not was alone then. The blessing you used to know, I haven't give birth then, but now the blessing now have children. The blessing now is a matured blessing. The blessing, you know, don't be depressed by your body, the way your body now turns out. All you have to do is to embrace it and love yourself the more. Love yourself. Look at that little angel that you brought to this world, that beautiful soul that you brought to this world. Look at her and give yourself that confidence and give yourself that love and say, God, thank you for making me to bring this wonderful, beautiful soul to this world. You know, it is not easy. A lot of people are looking for kids. A lot of people are looking for kids they don't have, but God decided to bless you with wonderful, beautiful children. Why don't you embrace yourself, girlfriend? Don't mind what people say, because if you mind what people must say something, even if your body changes, even if your body did not change, people will end up saying something. They will definitely say something. They will definitely say something. So be happy with your body. If another problem is your tummy, will not be smooth anymore, it will look rough, and as there will be stretch mark in it. Sometimes there will be stretch mark in your boobs, sometimes there will be stretch mark in your ass. Let's stay, embrace it. There is a lot of cream for stretch mark. Use it. Maybe if you use it, it's not working, don't start getting depressed over stretch mark. Listen, you are the type that love to wear things that are revealing. You can actually look sexy without revealing anything. You will not learn to dress more mature, because right now you are not mother. You are not mother to children. You are not mother to a baby. You are not mother to children, to boys or girls, or boys and girls. Listen, your children should be your priority. You should look at your children and be happy. Don't be depressed over that rough tummy. If somebody sees it and tell you that, no, so your body won't be fine, your tummy won't be fine, now you say as it can be. You tell them the difference between me and you. I have kids you don't have. The difference between me then is I was young, now I am a matured woman with kids to take care of, with beautiful souls to take care of. Listen, don't be depressed over your body, the change of your body. Look at it as a sign of maturity. Look at it, you look at yourself, you say, my body was not like this. My body was more beautiful. Look, girlfriend, look. Do not get yourself disturbed because you brought a soul, you brought something beautiful, a living soul to this world. Let your kids be your compensation. Look at them and say, look at my mini me. This was how I used to be when I was growing up. Listen, give yourself some credit. You deserve it. Make yourself happy. You will deserve it. Don't get depressed over over the change of your body. Listen, girlfriend, everybody have his own problem area. If I not tell you, you not go know. If you not tell me, you not go know. So, darling, deal with it. Deal with it. Accept yourself. You are the one that is going to accept yourself. Accept yourself. Make yourself beautiful. Feel beautiful from within. Because you brought beautiful souls to this world. Feel beautiful from within, because nobody is going to make you beautiful. Your husband cannot make you cannot enhance that beauty like that. You are the one that will bring it out first before it will irradiate, or before it will irradiate, it will not show to your husband. Even if your husband love you and you don't love yourself, it is not complete. It is not complete. If your husband is complimenting you, take that compliment. Take that compliment. Stop saying not be this one we can't do this, not be me we can't fat, not be me we can't get a stretch mark for stomach, not me can listen. Compliment yourself. Love yourself. Nobody is going to do that for you. You are the one that is going to do that for yourself. Love yourself, girlfriend, because you deserve it. Mother of so many beautiful kids, and you are sitting there depressed and saying, my body have changed. This have happened. That have happened. Listen. It is sign of maturity, girlfriend. Deal with it. Stay blessed. If you have watched my program tonight, means you like it. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Comment and subscribe. Let us grow the channels together till I come your way again next time, where we'll be talking about so many different things. Thank you for watching me. Stay blessed, guys, and bye. Please, if you have not watched my other videos, I have talked about so many topics, the life of single women, and so on and so forth, the marriages, and a lot of different topics. Please go to my page, go to my page and watch my other videos, guys. Stay blessed, stay safe, and God bless you. Bye for now. Till I come away again, remain blessed.